Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to solve the past paper board examination paper of 2025. So question the write the chemical formula for the following compounds. So following compounds are aluminum sulfate, calcium carbonate. Firstly, let us write the chemical formula for aluminum. So what is the symbol of aluminium? Aluminium is Al and sulfate is SO4. So what is the electronic configuration of aluminium? Firstly, the atomic number of aluminium is 13 and electronic configuration is 283. Therefore, the valency of aluminium is 3. Valency of aluminium is 3 and valency of sulfate is 2. So let's interchange the valency. So when you interchange the valency, the aluminium will receive 2 and SO4. Sulfate will receive 3. So this is the chemical formula for aluminum sulfate. So next we have is calcium carbonate. So calcium and carbonate. So what is the valency of calcium? The atomic number of calcium is 20 and the electronic configuration is 2882. So therefore the valency of calcium is 2. So what is the valency of carbonate? The valency of carbonate is also 2. So here the 2 get cancels. 1 is 2, 1 is 2. So interchange the valency. When you interchange the valency, the calcium receive 1 and carbonate also receive 1 valency. So finally we get CaCO3. This is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate. Firstly, the valency of calcium is 2, valency of carbonate is 2. The 2 get cancels and they get 1 valency. So we do not have to write the valency as 1. So therefore we get the calcium carbonate as CaCO3. So this is the chemical formula for calcium carbonate. So that's the answer, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video.